Greetings everyone! In this video, we'll show you the Bereg camping bed using the 1.9 model as an example. The Bereg 1.9 bed has the following specifications: length 190 cm, width 65 cm, height 40 cm, weight 6.5 kilograms. The frame is made of 25 by 25 mm aluminum tubes with a wall thickness of 1.5 mm. The joints are made of 3 mm steel and the cover is made from 3 layers of Oxford 600 fabric. The bed legs are equipped with protective footplates and the cover features a built-in organizer. The bed comes with a durable Oxford fabric carrying bag featuring a pair of strong long handles and an internal zippered pocket. Setting up the bed takes just a couple of minutes. There are several ways to unfold it, so you can choose whichever method feels most convenient for you. The main idea is to start with the frame folded in half, then rotate the side legs, which are folded at a 270-degree angle. Straighten the frame and finally install the support bars. There are 2 important things you must pay attention to. The fabric around the central joint must remain loose. Otherwise, applying excessive force while unfolding the bed may cause damage. All legs must be perpendicular to the frame, otherwise you won't be able to fully straighten the bed. The final step of the bed assembly is installing the support bars, which provide structural rigidity and tension the fabric cover. It doesn't matter which side you install the first bar on. However, if the fabric is noticeably wrinkled, it's best to straighten it first and then install the bar that returns the fabric to the correct position. Slide the support bar through the pocket on the fabric cover and align the holes in the bar with the frame tabs before securing it in place. When installing the second support bar, the fabric cover becomes taut, making it a bit harder to install, especially if the bed is brand new. Personally, I use the following method. First, I secure one end of the bar, then for the other end I brace my hands against the leg, like this, and press down on the crossbar with my thumbs until it snaps into place. The camping bed is now ready for use. If you position it with the support bar handles facing the tent wall, they will help maintain a safe distance between the bed and the tent fabric. This can be especially useful in winter for improved air circulation. If this is not necessary, you can place the bed directly against the wall by turning the handles outward. As an optional accessory, a headrest can be installed on the bed. It attaches to the fabric cover using Velcro straps. The Bereg camping bed has a load capacity of 220 kilograms. To fold the bed, follow the same steps in reverse order. One recommendation: when folded, the fabric cover should remain on the outside of the frame. Just like during setup, the fabric around the central joint should remain loose. Thank you for watching. For more useful information, visit our blog via the link in the description. We wish you enjoyable and comfortable travels.